Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent, and today I am bringing one very important announcement for CLAT 2021 Master Course. We are bringing a new batch for this online course which is starting from 5th of January. Okay, so my dear students, if you are interested to start from CLAT from zero level, you can very well join this course. This is a wonderful course. Let me explain you what we are going to do with this course. So the objective of this course, this is a complete online course. You will get regular support at your home, sitting at home. You are going to get complete support for this course. Okay, this is a wonderful module. Okay, this is a full course on CLAT. This is not half course. This is not a crash course. This is not a sort of, you can say, limited course. This is a full course. Okay, you do not need any classroom course along with this. Okay, it is a complete course. Okay, in addition to all your classroom coaching, you want a very good support for a video course. You can very well take this course as well, because what happens, what you study in your classroom coaching or wherever you are doing your online coaching, there may be something missing, especially in crucial subjects like legal reasoning, in your general knowledge. Okay, and even the right approaches for reading comprehension, logical reasoning, critical thinking, all those methods are basically part of this video course. And believe me, this is a wonderful module which we have developed with lot of efforts over a period of time. Okay, and everything is fresh. Everything is a new content in it. These are not the old content. Okay, unlike some other institutes, you will get old content, and this will give you a very good competitive edge over large number of other students. This is basically the objective. Okay, now what do you get? You get a regular live class. Now here in this particular course, we will be putting heavy load of live classes on Saturday, Sunday, so that you will be in a position to attend them in a proper way. Yes or no? So you may be busy with your school, or you may have your college or whatever. Thereby, you are reasonably free on Saturday, Sunday. So live classes will be heavily loaded on Saturday, Sunday. However, weekly one live class will be going on. Apart from that, to cover up the time management issue, we are also going to provide you recorded module. High quality, high definition video recorded module will be available to you. Okay, these are wonderful modules. In fact, ProTalent is the only institute in the entire country which is providing you editorial modules, okay, for your GK. Okay, this is very unique. These editorial modules are topic wise, they are in great depth, needed from the perspective of CLAT exam. Similarly, we are the only institute which is working heavily on reading comprehension. Reading comprehension, we believe that we need to train students. It is not that look, RC is there in front of you and you will be in a position to solve it. No, there are methods available. Okay, we have invested heavily on these approaches of RC. Okay, these are wonderful modules. Okay, and the new updated mathematical part. Anyway, we are giving lot of free module for maths. Okay, but here you are going to get reasonably advanced level questions. Okay, from the point of view of your CLAT exam. So all these things will be part of it. All 5 areas are provided to you in a detailed manner. The objective of live class is one-on-one discussion. The recorded module will cover a lot of concepts for you. With every class, you will be getting a lot of PDF material for practice. You will be getting study material, physical study material. You will be getting physical study material. That physical study material will be dispatched at your place. Okay, so this is what you are going to get, plus regular sectional test and regular mock test. They will be provided to you. There will be proper organized plan will be provided, and you will be following that. I think this is pretty clear. So my dear students, we have kept this course keeping these points in our mind. focusing on reading and the speed. So we need to focus on a lot of reading. We have to go at a very good speed. Okay, you must develop keen observation on current events, and you should be in a position to connect the dots. We are working very hard for connecting dots. This is very crucial. Okay, then you will have a proper capability to remove clutter from the right information in front of you. That is what you have to focus on. Accuracy is very crucial. Maintain stamina for 2 hours. For long hours, you should be in a position to sit at one place and get an answer for that and focus on your self-learning. My dear students, this exam is an exam of self-learning. जितना आप सीखोगे आपके थॉट प्रोसेस के द्वारा, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस, आपका ब्रेन आपको कौन से गलत डायरेक्शन में ले जाता है, कैन यू स्टॉप योरसेल्फ और नॉट, दिस इज वेरी क्रूशियल. In CLAT 2020, when it is paragraph based exam, this is the most crucial capability. Okay, so my dear students, how will this CLAT 2021 program will be delivered to you? It will be delivered to you via app as well as website. Okay, so there is a website. So if you have laptop, you have a bigger screen, some you can use through our website. If you have a phone only, you can use it app. Very user friendly app is available. We will be in a position to keep a track of your activities. You can also keep a track of your activities. Okay, you will be getting regular directions, okay, on a regular basis. Weekly schedule will be provided, weekly homework will be provided, doubt clearing, you can say, will be happening on a regular basis. It will be a regular personal touch will be there, and obviously, as I mentioned, doubts are taken regularly. So my dear students, how to join? 3 ways. protalentdigital.com, you visit that site, okay, and you find out this course called Master Course. You find out this course called Master Course. Okay, ठीक है, you can get it on courses.protalentdigital.com as well. Okay, and then you can also purchase it via ProTalent Digital app. Okay, through which you can get this particular course. Okay, or you can talk to Namrata ma'am on these numbers. Okay, my dear students, this course is available to you at a quite lesser price till 5th of January. ठीक है, the actual price is 27,807 rupees. ठीक है, you are going to get this at 21,807 rupees. Okay, ठीक है, this is a price you are going to pay for full course, which includes physical study material, video lectures, recorded module, doubt clearing, test series. Okay, all these things are part and parcel of this course. Okay, so why are you waiting for? Okay, anything, just go and purchase this. Okay, thank you very much and all the best.